Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I am doing a beautiful set of pink camo nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with this pink by Madam Glam in the color baby pink, and all of these colors that I'll be using will be gel polish, and most of them will be from Madam Glam. As you guys know, I have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. So I'm gonna do the middle finger and the thumb with this color, which will be the camo nails. Next, I'm going to go in with this really pretty pink in the color Angel Wings, also by Madam Glam, and I'm going to do that on this ring finger and the index finger. Alrighty, so for the pinky, I'm going to use the color Paradise, which is a silver holographic glitter by Madam Glam. And then with a cuticle pusher, I'm going to pick up that glitter and just sprinkle it over the top of the nail. When you're doing this, be sure to turn your client's finger over to the side to make sure that you fill up the whole nail with glitter. And usually I try to do the glitter nails first just because it gets messy and it can get on the rest of the nails. So the only reason why I did it last this time was because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do on the pinky. But again, we do the gel polish. While the gel polish is still wet, we're going to sprinkle that glitter right over the top of the nail, making sure that we get a full coverage by turning our client's finger over to the side and just picking up the glitter with the metal cuticle pusher, and then just pat the sides down really gently, and then we're curing each hand for 30 seconds. So same thing for this hand. We're going to do the baby pink on the middle finger and the thumb, and then Angel Wings on the ring finger and the index finger. And since they are gel polishes, we're curing each coat for 30 seconds. And to cure them, I'm using my Melody Susie UV LED lamp. Again, we're curing for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so now we're going to go in with the Angel Wings gel polish, and we're going to do a second coat. I'm only doing a second coat on these nails only because I don't want the ones with the lighter pink to be really thick, since we are going to go back and do the camo. So I only did one coat of the baby pink, and then the Angel Wings we're doing 2 coats, and we're going to cure that for another 30 seconds. Alrighty, so for the camo, I'm going to be using that same pink, which is the Angel Wings. We're going to use OMG Pink, which is also by Madam Glam. I'm also using the Perfect White by Madam Glam, and then I'm going to be using a black gel polish by Jovamia. So we're going to use a nail art brush, and we're going to just start drawing just random spots all over the nail. Usually I try to spread them out through the nail. As you can see, I do like a regular just spot, and then I do one that has like two little ends to it, if that makes sense. And I usually do like 3 spots of each color, and then at the end, if I need to go back and add some more, that's fine. But again, we're just literally drawing like random lines and spots on the nail. Doesn't have to be a certain pattern or anything. Just spread them out evenly and just do whatever colors you want. Again, this is the color OMG Pink, which is the hotter pink. We got Angel Wings, which is that darker pink, or not darker pink, but the light pink. And then we have the Perfect White and the black by Jovamia. Alrighty, so same thing for the thumb. Again, we start off with the hotter pink, and we're gonna do the different spots. As you can see, I'm spreading them out. I usually do one in the middle, one at the top, and one at the bottom. And I do the same thing for each color. Remember, you can use whatever colors you want. Just make sure that you have different shades of, like, if you do green, make sure you have like a dark green, a lighter green, maybe a black, white. Same thing for here. As you can see, we have that lighter pink, the darker pink, the medium pink. That way it gives it a more camouflage effect. And again, this is just a small nail art brush. You can use any small brush that you have to draw your dots, and they do not have to be perfect. You literally just draw the spots on the nail. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that you want to make sure that since it is gel polish, you're not making those spots super thick, because if not, the polish will wrinkle up once it starts to cure. So again, do not apply those dots super thick. And then also, if you're using regular polish, you don't want to make them too thick, because it is going to take a lot longer to dry. But anyways, we're going to do the same thing on the other hand. We're doing camo on the middle finger and the thumb. Just alternate between your colors, spread them out evenly, do one in the middle, top and bottom. Same thing for each color. Alrighty, so for the ring finger and the index finger, we're going to be applying some bling. So for that, I'm using my Mia Secret Gel Resin, my wax pencil, SS6 and SS12 bling. We're going to just apply that going over to the side of the nail. And remember, whenever you're using the Mia Secret Gel Resin, I do recommend that you get the activator to go with it, just because the glue is a little bit thicker and it takes a little bit longer for it to dry on its own. And with the activator, you're literally like freezing that glue into place. And I just feel like the bling stay on way longer with the activator. So again, I highly recommend it. And that is called the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. So again, we're just applying our bling. We're going to apply more glue as needed. And we're picking up the rhinestones with the wax pencil. And we're just applying it over on the side, like around the nail. Alrighty, so same thing. We apply our glue wherever we want the rhinestones to go. Then we pick up the rhinestones with the wax pencil and just place them on the nail, and then just apply more glue as needed. Alrighty, so now I'm going to spray the nails with the activator, and then I did forget to do a second coat of the angel wings on this hand, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and cure them for 30 seconds, and then after that I'm going to be using my IBD gel top coat. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and do the top coat on this hand. Remember, you do want to make sure that you dust that glitter nail off really good before applying the top coat. And we're going to go ahead and apply the top coat on the rest of the nails, and we're going to come back and do the glitter nail last, only because a lot of the time there's still loose glitter on the top of it, and it will get pretty messy as far as getting on the rest of your nails. So make sure that you do your glitter nail last. Alrighty, so we're going to let that cure for 60 seconds, and we're going to go ahead and apply the bling on the other nail. Again, we're using the Mia Secret Gel Resin, SS6, SS12, the wax pencil, and the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and do the top coat on the other hand as well. And remember, you want to make sure that you do that gel top coat over the glitter nails at the very end, because it will get on the rest of your nails and it's pretty hard to take off. So again, make sure you dust it off and then apply the gel top coat. And you will see me go back and do the gel top coat on the other nail as well. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out so pretty. That pink is just so flawless. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.